On July 23 at 6:16 p.m., Wellington police officers were called to a residence on Courtland Street after neighbors reported that someone was breaking glass next door. At 6:26 p.m., an officer reported that the man was throwing items, including a table at her. 1 minute later, the man came storming out of the house carrying a knife. As he was running towards officers in the street, police attempted to subdue the man by deploying a taser. But it did not work. At 6:27 p.m., the man was shot by an officer, who then immediately called for backup and ambulance.
Mr. Baker, you said the deputies came? Scott, put it down. Scott, put it down. Put it down now. Put it down. I'm not playing with you, Mr. Scott. Mr. Scott, put it down. Get down. Shots fired, shots fired, shots fired. Get us an ambulance, get us back up now. Shots fired. Stay down, Mr. Scott.
Stay down.
Throw the knife out. Throw the knife out now. Did you throw the knife, Mr. Scott?
Yeah, I think he threw it.
Copy. Working on making the scene safe. Get first responders. You still have the knife, Mr. Scott.
No, I don't.
It's in front of you.
Throw the knife out, Scott.
Stage. We're trying to get the knife away from him. Shots fired, though. He's been shot. Mr. Scott, try to throw the knife away, okay? So we can render aid. We want to render as much aid as we can, okay?
All right.
Where were you shot? Show me. In the stomach? Can I approach you and hold pressure? Is that okay?
Okay.
Do you have anything on you, sir?
No.
No? Go ahead and turn over, okay?
I don't care.
No? Yes. Yes. They're going to give me a towel. I'm going to hold pressure, okay, Mr. Scott?
No. Nothing's okay.
I know, Scott. I know.
Courtland Street in the village of Wellington. Stage for Wellington Police for a gunshot victim.
I know. Well, you got someone on the way, okay? They're on the way.
Okay. God be with me.
Huh?
God be with me.
God is with you. I will say a prayer for you, okay, sir? Show me where it is.
Where's it at, Scott?
Where's it at? Show me. Where's it? Let me get on the other side. Let me get on the other side. Let me get on the other side, okay?
Roll over, buddy.
Roll over, roll over. All right, I got you, okay? I got you.
Just hit once.
Just once, I think. I got you, okay? 268, have them come up here.
Scott. I'm gonna die.
You're not gonna. No, you're not. You're not going to die.
Ah!
No. Look at me. Look
Easy
at me.
on the stomach.
I know.
Easy on the stomach, please.
Very direct pressure. You're not gonna die, okay?
All right.
You're not gonna die. I got you, Mr. Scott. I got you. Don't move. Okay, I got you.
That's what I needed. Thank you.
No, that's not what we needed.
We got you guys covered. Yeah, there's cameras all over.
Mr. Scott, that is not what either of us needed.
Well, if you guys wouldn't beat shit out of me in the first place, I wouldn't have had to do that.
Mr. Scott, I wasn't here for that. I'm sorry.
Acknowledge your call.
I wasn't here for whatever that was.
I'm afraid of you guys.
I wish this could have gone differently.
Me too.
We have to call a secret meeting.
Go ahead. Can you get a hold of the supervisor?
Gotta call Allison. Someone has to get called in. Alex, somebody.
And can you notify 471 that he needs to come in?
I'm gonna have to let go. Sorry.
No, it's not okay. Because they're on their way. Do you hear them?
Mm-mm.
I can hear them and they're on their way, okay?
You dead?
No. You're not. You're talking to me, right? You're not dead because you're talking to me. And you're not going to die. You're not, Mr. Scott, you're not going to die. I got you. Okay? You want to say a prayer? Are you a religious man?
Very.
Very religious? What kind of prayer do you want to say? Do you know any of them? I'll pray with you.
The man who was shot was later identified as 37-year-old Scott Baker. The officer who fired the shots then gave aid to Baker by applying pressure to his wounds until EMS arrived. A LifeFlight helicopter took off from Wellington about 7:30 p.m., headed for MetroHealth Medical Center in Cleveland with Baker on board. Baker is in stable condition and the officers involved were not physically hurt during the incident.